Hello everyone, this is Christy. I have another kit from Your Creative Studio and I'm gonna show it to you. And in this box you will get a card and you can see right here the paper with the theme. Look, see, this is going to be the theme. And now I'm going to open to see what comes inside. And right here, there is this pack that says floral illustration, and they look like tickets. And I love the paper of the packaging. It looks like cardstock, and you can reuse it too. And here are the tickets. The tickets are stickers. See? They are like stickers, and you can use them like washi tape. See? And look, beautiful colors. See? All these colors. And then right here, these ones in ivory, kind of blue, shabby, very shabby, with flowers and calligraphy. And then these ones that are in purple, roses, greens, and blues. See? And you get 36 of these strips of 4 tickets, and they are stickers. Very beautiful. And right here there is vellum stickers that look like seals. See? And they are clear. Can you see? So they are like clear stamps, and you get 16 of them. Then right here, I think this one is washi tape. It says washi. And it's right here. See, you get washi in this color. Then, and in these 2 packages it says clean stamps, and I think you get these 2 birds. And I'm going to show you, but then at the end I'm going to show you how they stamp, okay, and how you can color them. Look, it's a big one, see? And in the other one, is this one. And in the other package you get these 2. See, a toucan and pineapple. Then right here there is some stickers, I think, and this is sealed. I'm going to open it. It looks like a box of matches, and here are the images, and I don't know if there are stickers. I'm going to check. Maybe they are just die cuts. And yes, they are stickers. Look, see? They are beautiful stickers. Very small images, but they are very, very beautiful. See? And they are framed in different shapes, square, oval. And then right here, oh, this is a woman. Then this one has this shape. See? So you can use to decorate your journal with all of this. And the box is so super cute too. See? Beautiful. And here is another package. And these are like pattern papers. See, it has a lot of images for nature. And this is a small size, see? Then right here there is another one, and this is pink with roses. And these are like die cuts, I think. They look like stamps, postage stamps. And these ones are stickers. See? And you get a bunch of them. Look. They are very similar, and I love the color. See? So you can use it as decoration too. And right here I have a set of papers that comes in this envelope. Look, it's a beautiful envelope. See? And it has a window, so you can reuse this one. And these are sticker papers, and these are very nice for decorating your journal as well. See? Super beautiful. Look. It's very nice, right? Very nice for decorating anything. Maybe tags on the pages. Super beautiful. Look. See? So you get all of these in this beautiful envelope that you can reuse it too. Very nice. Now I have a package, and these look like die cuts. Let's get them all. There are a few leaves here, and they are just die cuts like cardstock. Look, this so cute in a heart shape. See? Then you get like these flowers, leaves, more leaves, lots of leaves to decorate. This is like for maybe summer. See? This is a chameleon. More flowers. A bigger piece of a chameleon. A toucan. See? Lots of these. And right here, you get some of these birds too. See? Beautiful. And there is a lot of these die cuts. These are very small, and these are like vellum stickers. And it says 40 pieces right here. See? And look, you will see all of these images. But I'm going to show you just a few because I don't want to drop them. They are very small. So I'm going to put some in my hand. Looks so cute. Here are the flamingos. See? And as you can see, they are stickers. See? And it will be vellum stickers. See? So you get 40 of them. And right here says masking tape, but I think this one is like tissue paper. Let me see. Yeah, it feels like tissue paper. Very, very thin and clear. See? Can you see my fingers in the back? And all of them are with the same design. And I think there are 5 or 6. See? They are very delicate and nice. And then right here is the last piece. And these are papers. They send 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum paper, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. So there will be only 6 designs and different kinds of papers. So I'm gonna show you. And here are the designs, and I think this one is the sticker paper, the first one. Look, flamingo. And here is the paper with the chameleon. Then right here, these leaves. This is just a design that you can mix and match with others. A toucan. And then right here, this one, it has pink accents. And that's it. So the same is going to be with this vellum paper. And it's hard to see if you look at like this, but if you put over another color, see, for example, right here, it will look very nice. And you can make a pocket and fill it like a shaker, see, with other stuff, and it will look very, very cute. So you can use it for making tags or pockets. So you cannot see the vellum paper, but you get 6 of them. Now these are the art paper, which is a little bit thicker, and then the pattern paper, which is more thinner. See? But the image is the same. So in this package, you will get a lot of paper for decorating the pages of your journal. See? Very, very nice. Now I'm going to show you the stamps. And here are the stamps, and it has many details on them. And as you can see right here, see? This is how they look. And here are the stamps when you use just a black ink. A lot of details, very nice. You can color these with markers or color pencils. Look so beautiful. See? And I use these markers that are special for clear stamps. See? You just color the stamp in the back, and then when you stamp, you can have the colors, and also you can color on top. See? And this is for the flamingo. Here I have the pineapple. And then right here is the leaf. And I use more colors for the toucan. As you can see, you can use these cling stamps and use just black ink, and then use your markers or color pencils and color them, or you can use your color ink pads or ink markers and do the same. See? As you can see, this is more than enough to make and decorate a journal. You can check in the description box for the link of this beautiful kit and others. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.